A tribute to COVID-19 fighters on the front lines, thumping support for them in the House, even as the government acknowledges lessons learned from a grueling 3-year battle. Shalin Sia has more.
Resounding applause as members of Parliament gave a standing ovation for nearly a minute. All for the very special guests in the House, the warriors who fought Singapore's COVID-19 battle on its front lines.
We express a grateful nation's deepest appreciation for your contributions and courage. Your dedication helped Singapore to keep going through unprecedented and uncertain times. Your acts of duty, sacrifice and care for fellow Singaporeans uplifted our spirits, boosted our confidence and kept all of us safe. So once again, we would like to say a very big thank you to all of you.
Among the 100 present were nurses, doctors, teachers and social workers, essential workers in transport, supermarkets and warehouses, safe distancing ambassadors and public servants.
They willingly assumed personal risk over and over again, just so that the rest of us could be safe. They represent a cross-section of the wider community of individuals who fought bravely on the COVID front lines.
Even as Singapore pays tribute to their sacrifices, Mr. Wong says the country must learn, improve and be better prepared. The next pandemic may possibly be worse than COVID-19, but he says Singapore can draw confidence and strength from what its people have gone through together for the past 3 years.
Minister of State for Social and Family Development, Sun Xueling, has paid tribute to Singaporeans for showing the Singapore spirit during the COVID-19 pandemic. And she said that it prevented the health and economic crisis from becoming a social one. And she also highlighted examples of the community coming together to sew and distribute masks for others.
At a time when masks were short and we did not have production lines to manufacture masks, these ordinary citizens, they decided to stand up and be counted on. Men cut cloth so that their wives could sew. Grandmas and stay-at-home mums rose to the occasion, dusting off old sewing machines or picking up needle and thread to sew masks to protect their loved ones and others. They had agency. Their actions mattered. They did not wait to be asked. They each did what they could.